Hey guys, so welcome back to another video from Ruby's Corner. So today we're going to be unboxing the iPad Air. So let's just get right into it, right? And there it is. So I got the 256 gigabyte. It includes the iPad Air, obviously, the USB-C charger cable, and a USB-C power adapter. It's not coming out. Come on, iPad. Just want to see you. I am struggling. There it is. Just gonna put that to the side for now. So we got the little pouch. Here's the how-to. All right, so we have the USB-C block. So this one is 20 watts. So then we got the USB-C to USB-C cord. Because the iPad Air is a USB-C. And that's the whole box. All right, let's put that to the side. And now for the actual iPad. It's kind of a pastel. It is gorgeous though. And that's the green on the back. So it comes with just one camera, unlike the iPad Pro. It still has the smart connector on the bottom, minimal bezel. So that's the green around the edges. There's the Touch ID button. Has the speakers around here. There's the microphone on the top. It also has speakers on the bottom, as well as a USB-C charging port. Hey guys, so thanks for tuning in for another video from Ruby's Corner. My next video is going to be the week later video with the iPad Air. I am jumping from the 9.7 inch iPad Pro to the 10.9 inch iPad Air. So it's gonna be a fun transition. Can't wait. You guys have a great day. Thanks.